Hello guys, good morning. I'm here at this job site. We did the paver sidewalk and I'm gonna do the cuts on both sides today. And we got this far. There are 6x9 pavers from Nicolak company, Granite City, which is gray color. And I'm going to do charcoal border. And today I'm using this healthy gas saw. That's my main saw, and it's got a water hookup. And also at the MK saw to cut the pavers here. They're both water supplied, so, and both saws got a water hookup. The saw here's got a pump here, so we fill a bucket and the pump brings it to the saw here, and that's how we cut the pavers. Got a switch here. So that's the saw I'm going to use a little bit today, and mostly I use the big one. Also, it's got a water hookup, and that's what we're going to do. First, I'm going to mark up the pavers where the cuts need to be, and just going to go ahead with the cuts. so I made the cuts on this side. Still have to put the border in, and then I have to make the cuts on this one, on this side. Here I'm just going to use the cut off saw, covered with water. I'm just draining the water out of the tank here on a paver saw. I'm draining to a bucket, and then just clean up the saw. Like today, I'm pretty much done with the saw. Just gonna use that one. And later I'm just gonna clean up everything after I make the cuts here. And just clean with water everything here. This is going to be a straight cut here, so it will be a bit easier. I'll extend the pavers on the outside so I can make the cut and keep a straight line. Right. So I still got the cuts on pavers, 1, 2, 3 more pavers in half, basically. And this side should be done too. Alright, finished the other side. And today I'm just going to clean up everything. Clean this machine. Clean it from inside. I already cleaned the pump. And just wash everything out. And I cleaned up everything. So tomorrow we put the border in, which is a charcoal color. And then we're gonna need a few more pavers here to finish up. Probably a couple layers here. And I cleaned up all the tools. I cleaned up my saw and the other saw here. I cleaned everything, so we'll put it back in the truck. Alright, so I'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate all the subscribers, the likes, and the shares. Thank you very much.